Will the VA loan cover a mobile home? Does the home have a PIN, a parcel identification number, or a VIN, a vehicle identification number? Because keep in mind, the VA loan is for a home, not a vehicle. So if you are buying a manufactured or modular home, and keep in mind, on the manufactured side, it has to have been built after 1976. You can't get a loan if it was built prior to 1976. We got to have HUD stamps and plates verifying that it's good to go. If there's been significant additions to the property since it was originally placed, we'll need to get a structural engineer certificate saying that everything is good to go, structure's good. If the property has been moved since its original place, the VA is the only loan that will allow a twice moved loan on a manufactured home. No other loan allows it whatsoever. And when I say twice moved, that means from the manufacturer to the original foundation, and then from the original foundation to a new foundation on the same parcel, okay? So only loan you can use to do that. If it's been moved more than that, sorry, not gonna happen, okay? But yes, you can buy a mobile or manufactured or modular home using your VA loan. It's a beautiful way to really, I see some beautiful manufactured homes like deep into the woods. Like I've seen some beautiful, beautiful homes taking advantage of this benefit. So if you have questions about it, how it all works, shoot me a call, Joey Matthews, 630-235-2405. Email me at info@thevaloannerd.com. Leave me a comment, let's talk about it.